Hello everyone, my name is Praful Kumar and today I am recording this video for subject design analysis of reconfigurable system, and this is part 2 of project. So in this part we are basically running a code which basically acts as a timer. So for this, let me show you how I am connecting my FPGA board with my laptop. So I am using PuTTY here, if you see. So this is my device manager. So I am using, if you see, COM16 is used with my FPGA. So I've connected a USB cable to my laptop to the FPGA board via micro USB cable. So which is working with the COM16 port. So what I have did is with PuTTY I have configured the COM16 to operate the FPGA. So if you see, I'm inside the FPGA. I can just run the terminal right here. Okay, so let me show you the C code. So this is the embedded terminal basically. So in this, let me navigate to the code cd. Okay, it's right here. Okay, HPS1 is where I have my C code. This is where I have my C code, so I'm gonna type in make. So if you see, I have successfully created a executable file here, right here. So I'm going to use this code and put it in a pen drive and then plug it into my FPGA board so that I can access it via HPS. So let me show you, let me do that and show you. So this is the interface basically. I've already compiled the code. What I'll do is I'll upload the .sov file generated by the Cortex Prime Lite. So this is the SOF file. So I've already connected the board. So let me show you the output. So I've already mounted the pen drive to the Linux. I'll go to the drive. Okay, I'm already inside the drive. Okay, here is the executable. Okay, so let me show you the output. If you see, so this is the micro USB cable I've connected here, right here. So this pen drive has executable file. So if you see the FPGA, so this part of segment is basically seconds, and this is minutes, and this is hours. So if you see, I'm also using LEDs to operate the timer, and also on the LCD which displays the timer basically. So this seconds, minutes and hours. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.